Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you've probably seen from the title and thumbnail of today's video, I am going to be dyeing my hair pink. Now I am quite nervous to do this. I have dyed my hair before many times in the past, and I've always only ever dyed my hair pink or purple, and I'm going to be dyeing my hair pink again. So currently my hair has been bleached and dyed. If you haven't watched that video, I'll leave it on a card on the screen up here so you can click on it. You should probably watch that one first. So basically I bleached my hair about 6 months ago, approximately 6 months ago, and I got it dyed at the salon, and it was a nice brown colour, but now my hair has faded out so much, and you can clearly see it's like, so it's not really the colour that I want it to be anymore. It's faded out a lot. So it's kind of like a super dark blonde slash super light brown, and I'm just going to be dyeing these parts pink. The hair dye I'm going to be using is this one by L'Oreal. I have used this hair dye before and I did make a review on it. However, at the time that I made the review, my hair was pretty much all black. But again, if you want to watch the review, I will leave it on a card on the screen so you can click on that one too. But it should work this time because most of my hair is not black. And I don't usually film here, but I had to dye my hair on the floor because I didn't want to be spilling dye all over my chairs and stuff. This is my hair dye top. It's literally my NCS top from when I did NCS when I was in year 11, and I'm not going to wear it anymore, so I just use it to dye my hair. I've watched quite a lot of videos and I've read the instructions many times, but I'm still nervous to dye my hair because I guess 'cause I'm dyeing my hair. I do like the colour of how it looks on the box. It's called Violet. Maybe I should read the instructions again just to familiarise myself. So it's got like picture stuff here, and then it's got more information at the back. So this is what comes inside the box. There's like 3 things and a pair of gloves. So the instructions say put on the gloves. The gloves come in a little packet like this. And also hopefully my nails should match my hair at the end of this video. So the gloves literally look like bin bags. Lovely. Not sure if I should save these to use on public transport or if I should just use these to dye my hair. Put gloves on and keep them on at all stages, including preparation, application and rinsing. Cover your shoulders with a towel. Well, I'm not going to do that because I'm wearing this top anyway. Pour colouring gel inside the developer. So you also get this conditioner hair mask thing which you can use 6 times to get your hair shiny or something. So I guess we have to pour this into this and then shake it up. Close the applicator and shake well until mixed. And then twist the applicator off immediately to avoid bursting and damage from the product overflowing. Okay, I will definitely do that because I do not want this hair dye to explode all over my room. But because I've already used this exact hair dye before, I know it doesn't work on black hair, even though it claims to work, which is a lie. See, it says it works on dark brown to black hair and it turns it that colour, but trust me, it doesn't. So if you have black hair, make sure you bleach your hair first because it will not work otherwise. So I'm not going to apply it to my roots, I'm just going to apply it to the bleach sections of my hair. Apply remaining product throughout the lengths and ends. Leave to develop for half an hour. So let's get mixing. So let's put the gloves on. Lovely. So I'm just going to pour this colouring gel, that's what it says. I'm going to pour the colouring gel into the developer cream. Yeah, you can see that it says developer cream. Let's open this. Oh, it's got bubbles. Love that. Oh, stinks. Oh my gosh, that smells really bad. Right, so I'm going to pour that into here. Let's open this. So this is basically just a white developer cream. I'm speaking as if I know what all these things are, I really don't. So I'm going to mix this together. Oh, it's like a yellow liquid. It's very runny. Interesting. So it's, yeah, okay, so it's like a liquid that you have to pour. Plop that into the bin. Let's close this like it says. Hopefully that's closed. And shake it up like it says to do. And I remember that this hair dye really smelled bad, like it smelled really bad. I think it might be the ammonia in it. If it has ammonia, I think ammonia makes hair dye stink. Ooh, I can see it turning pink now in the bottle. Lovely. So I'm wearing short sleeves, and last time I did it with short sleeves it spilled like all over my arms, which wasn't very great. But okay, I think that's mixed enough, and you can see it's quite pink, so I guess I should undo the lid and pop that there. Okay, let's start dyeing my hair. I'm not sectioning my hair because I don't really think it matters. I don't know, probably does matter, but I'm just going to dye it however I feel like dyeing it. Actually no, maybe I should section my hair off. So I wanted to section my hair, but I can't find any hair clips, so I can't really section my hair. So I will just do half and half, I guess. Oh, it's a very nice pink colour. Oh gosh, it's already dripping onto my legs. Oh, that smells really bad. Ooh. So when you apply bleach, you're meant to apply it to the ends first and then apply it to the roots. Don't know how it works with hair dye, but this... Oh gosh, it smells really bad. Just try not to smell your hair as you dye it. I can't really see very well because I'm just using the viewfinder. Maybe I should just pour it into my hands and then try and rub it in to my hair, I guess. Not too sure. So yeah, like I said, I'm not going to put it into the black bits of my hair, just the brown bits. You do not want to be in this room right now, it smells really bad. I did buy 2 packs of this hair dye, but I don't think I'll need both of them. So again, using the viewfinder as a mirror, which probably is not the best thing to do when you're dyeing your hair, you know? It's such a pretty colour though, it looks so nice. If my hair is this colour when I wash it out, I will be really happy. Because the colour is actually really pretty. Trying really hard to not breathe that way where the hair dye is. Oh gosh. Oof. I could never be a hairdresser. Right. That looks a bit better. Actually, I tried to dye my hair lavender the other day, but it didn't work. Probably because my hair was far too dark for it to ever work out. I bought this lilac hair dye and tried to dye it, but nothing changed in my hair. So that was annoying. I just dyed my hair for no reason. But it did make my hair really soft though. Oh, my eyes are watering. You can probably see. Oh gosh, that's probably not a good sign. I'm going to go to my mirror and try and dye my hair because I really can't see what I'm doing here. So I guess I'll do that and come back. Okay, so I've just finished dyeing my hair and I don't even know how long that took. Yeah, so this top is stained. My arms are stained, my legs are stained, my neck is stained, my ears are stained, my face is stained, which is not cute. My hair is stained, which is good because it should be stained. This is how my hair looks. It looks really dark. Not sure how much of this you can see or if you can see any at all. Final reveal in 3, 2, 1. Not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting it to be this red tone. I was expecting it to be a bit more pink. I'm not entirely sure how I feel about it, but at the moment I'm kind of liking it with my hair styled this way and also with my makeup on. I think it looks quite good. I feel like I've gone a few years back to like 2015 when burgundy hair was the trend. I thought the hair dye would be a lot lighter than how it is, but nevertheless I kind of like it now. When I freshly washed it I didn't actually like it, but now that I've styled it and done my makeup I think it actually looks a lot better. When I washed it right after I dyed it, the bathtub looked so pretty. The bathtub I have is white and I was scared that the hair dye actually might stain it, but it didn't, which was really good. It also didn't stain my hands because, as you probably saw from the clips, I had hair dye all over my neck and my arms and legs and it all washed off straight away. So that was really good because it didn't actually stain my skin. It didn't irritate my skin either, like there's no itching or rashes or anything yet, touch wood. If you enjoyed, please smash a huge thumbs up because that really helps share the video with others, and if you enjoyed this video please subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out, and other than that I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!